Okay, so this Dyson battery was not charging, not working. There was a blinking blue light here. So when I measured all the cells, this one was not working. This was the cell, and it was showing 0.1 volt or something. So when lithium ion cell goes below 2 volt, it's usually dead. So I removed it and I replaced with another. I didn't have this same size battery, so I use standard 18650 um, lithium ion cell, and I sold it here from both sides. And now when I'm connecting it to the Dyson charger, now it is charging properly. Alright, thank you for watching. This is a very good way to revive your old Dyson battery, and in some cases the controller goes bad, and if this BMS controller goes bad, you cannot repair it. Okay, thank you.